Hey, I'm changing wiper blades on this 2022 Hyundai Tucson, and if you haven't realized by now, they made it kind of complicated to change these blades. So the arms, they don't pull up all the way. The hood's blocking them. So originally I was fighting with these. I actually managed to change it. I had to get a step stool, but there's a much simpler way. We're gonna enter into wiper service mode. So to enter wiper service mode, it's fairly easy. Just going to get in your car, you're going to turn it on, turn it right back off, and then within 20 seconds, you're going to raise your wiper lever here. You're going to raise it up to the mist. You're going to go ahead and hold it for a few seconds, and then your blades will rise up. All right, now I can fully access the arms. I can pull them right back, slide our wiper in, and you're good to go. Now we'll do the other side. This one's a little bit further away. If you're shorter, you might want to get a step stool, but this pulls right off. Sneak your J-hook in, pull up to clip it on, and we're good to go. Not only will this raise your front arms, it'll also lower your rear arm so you can change your rear blade. Now we'll take the car out of wiper service mode to take the arms down. You're just going to turn your car back on and then put your wiper lever into any mode, and it depresses them. Now this is a pain to have to do, but it's not too hard. This will also work for most Kia and Hyundai models between years 2020 and 2026.